Hello, welcome to another unboxing. This is Papergang by OneOdio, and this is a stationery box, a mystery box. So shall we get on with it and we will open this bad boy up. Oof, nice strong one there. Good box, undamaged, always good to see. What have we got inside though? We have got purple paper. Peter Piper picked a peck of purple paper, which is pretty cool. Sorry about the background noise, but I've had to open the window because it's incredibly hot today. Ooh, signed by Chiara Leroy. That's pretty cool. There's a little leaflet in here, all about these. Oh, it's got a little colouring thing. Keep going, be nice. Don't want to be nice, don't want to keep going. Okay, let's open this bad boy up, shall we? See what goodies we have in here. Num 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 num. Whoa. Oh. What's this? Oh wow, a multicolour pencil. That's pretty cool. Look. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see the multicolour pencil? Can you see it? Have I got it on? I haven't got it on. I've got a manual focus, so of course you can't see. I'm a crazy woman. Just a sec. Oh no. There we go. There you go, can you see? So it's basically a combination of the stuff you've got on the outside is on the inside of the pencil, which is pretty cool. I like that as an idea. It's even got a little sleeve so that your pencil doesn't come all smooshed. So what have we got in? Oh, I've got little post-its. Oh, they're so cute. That's cute. Ah. And you've got a little patch. It's always good advice. Was it they say, if you're going through hell, keep going. What's this one? Oh, and another one. This one says be nice. So that's nice. They do say that being nice is a revolutionary thing to do these days. So that's pretty cool. Hello. Looks like I've got a pair of scissors as well. I love scissors, love pencils. Oh, they're so diddy. Look, diddy pencils. Ooh, they feel sharp. Someone's gonna be very sharp. Yep, pretty sharp, but very tight. Possibly need a little bit of slight loosening. They're very tight, those ones. What's in here? Oh, this book belongs to. Got a little squared off book. Oh, that's a cute little package. I like that one. I think what I might start doing fairly soon is doing the origami, because the idea with these papers that they give you is you have, look, cut me out, fold me up, origami tutorial link and QR code at the back of the booklet. So you can theoretically do origamis with these. But yeah, this is a cute little one. I like the little scissors, and the little patches are cute as well. So it's nice. It's weird because there's. Can you see they're kind of velvety looking? And they feel really sort of soft and smooth. Little cute ones. They look like little eyes. Like look. Look at like an owl or something. Focus. There we go. So that one's a cute little one and a short little one, but cute nonetheless. Anyway, you guys have a lovely day and I'll see you soon, and keep creative. You take care. Bye.